everybody, this is Lily White. Welcome to this episode of TezBytes. TezBytes is presented by TezTown. Today we're going to answer the question, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure the transactions. You may hear or see cryptocurrency called crypto, cryptocoin, or cryptocurrency hyphenated, but it's all the same thing. Because you do not need to rely on banks to verify cryptocurrency transactions, anyone can send or receive funds from anyone else. This is known as a peer-to-peer system. You do not have to carry around physical money, as cryptocurrency exists only as digital transactions recorded in public ledgers. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets and can be used to buy and sell a great number of things. What you can buy with cryptocurrency is growing every day and spreading across the world. Thank you for watching this episode of TezBytes, presented by TezTown. I'm Lily White, and if you found this episode useful, please like and follow us, and consider making a donation to TezTown. Thank you. See you around the blockchain.
TezTown.